Health cover means health insurance coverage, for which the regulatory authorities IRDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. This is the authority which will regulate the insurance sector, not only the life insurance, general insurance, health insurance also. All will be regulated by the IRDA for the entire country, insurance companies. So this IRDA is to push basic health coverage, hospital scoreboards to expand the sector. Means the IRDA proposing to supporting to expand the health cover to more people and to more hospitals to cover the treatment. It also helps to ensure predictability to a sector the regulator has itself described as unstable equilibrium. Thus, IRDA wants to expand the health insurance coverage sector to cover many people and also to make many hospitals available for the service to help the patients with the insurance coverage. It also intends to widen the coverage, improve affordability. The scorecards slated from the rollout June 26 are designed to enable the policy. To make IRDA also to make informed choices and nudge behavior through transparency. Means it is the main idea of IRDA is to make the citizens have choices, make the citizens have informed choices and to nudge behavioral through transparency. It links hospital tariffs to performance metrics. IRDA proposed to link hospitals tariffs with performance metrics. Faster claim settlements, adherence to turnaround times, fetch better rates for hospitals, while delays, billing and discrepancies, and documentation gaps may trigger tariff ground rates. Means uniformity in the hospital tariffs, performance metrics, faster claim settlements, adherence to turnaround times, better rates for hospitals, reducing delays, billing discrepancies, all will reduce the tariffs payable by the policyholders. The health insurance product is to widen coverage and improve affordability. Means more and more diseases should be covered, and more and more people will be covered with less premium. Towards and one more thing, IRDA proposing to support preventive health care and wellness. This is the major shift from pure hospitalization to preventive models to address long-standing disputes between insurers and hospitals. IRDA is also planning to settle the disputes between the insurers and the hospitals. The IRDA proposing clear rules on billing, claims processing and dispute resolution. Cashless facilities cannot be withdrawn abruptly due to commercial disagreements. IRDA is warning the insurance companies not to withdraw abruptly due to commercial disagreements with hospitals. And ad hoc suspensions of hospitals networks will also to be discouraged. In some instances, hospitals or hospital associations had withdrawn the cashless facility to some of the health insurance companies. This is causing hardship not only to the patient but also to the policy, but also to the insurance company. So it is the main idea of IRDA is to ensure that the insurance covered person should be provided treatment as early as possible, and bills will be the best treatment will be given to the best treatment will be given. The billing is done properly, and the claim settlement is also done early, and cashless treatment is also given to the patient who comes for treatment. For this purpose, the withdrawal or abandoning or suspending the agreements with the hospitals by insurance companies is to be discouraged, and insurance companies cannot, and also hospitals cannot cannot deny the cashless opportunity to patients based on the health insurance companies, and also health insurance companies cannot abandon the agreements with the hospitals which are providing services to patients who are covered under insurance. All this is for the purpose of covering better covering to the policy holders, and more number of people to be covered, more disease to be covered, and premium has to be reduced. This is the main purpose of IRDS amendment. IRDS new action of plan of action. So this is going to help the people who are covered under insurance policies and are has to settle the disputes between the insurers and hospitals, and not to abandon the agreements with the hospitals by the not to abandon agreements by health insurance companies with hospitals, and also hospitals not to deny the cashless facility to the policy holders in the health insurance policy holders.